Video to fix the Sbox fatal memory exceeded error on Chrome, Edge, Brave, and Opera. And if your browser keeps crashing or tabs suddenly close with this error, this video is for you. Are you frustrated because every time you open multiple tabs or heavy websites, your browser shows Sbox fatal memory exceeded and becomes unusable? This usually happens because of memory limits, corrupted browser files, conflicting extensions, or outdated browser versions that cannot handle modern web content properly. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of risky steps like editing system files or reinstalling Windows unnecessarily. On Rexish, I focus on simple and safe fixes. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that stops the Sbox fatal memory exceeded error without losing bookmarks, passwords, or settings. This method clears browser cache, disables problematic extensions, updates your browser properly, and adjusts memory usage so Chrome, Edge, Brave, and Opera can run smoothly again. It works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, keeps your data safe, and takes only a few minutes. If your browser keeps crashing with Sbox fatal memory exceeded, this solution will make it stable and fast again. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click and setting, comment below and let Rexish know, and I will guide you until your browser runs perfectly without errors.